Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. I am Engineer Said Rahman. You are watching SSC Engineering Services. Our topic is how to increase or decrease the cell width and height. We select all the cell which we require increase or decrease the cell height. Go to home, then cell tab. Go to format, first row height. Let's suppose we want to take 30 row height, then same as it is, we want to select this tab and we want to increase the width size. 30 already, 36. Then we select internal and increase the width of cell 12, and last one width 16. This is a method used to increase or decrease the width or height of the cell or your working sheet. Maybe you require just like let's suppose we want this to increase 40 or 60. Select row height, then enter 46 or maybe 48. You show that the column cell height increases. Like our video channel and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.